Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to use a laptop screen as an external monitor. To begin, ensure that both your main computer and the laptop you want to use as an external monitor are turned on and connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This method works using a feature built into Windows called Wireless Display. On the laptop that you want to use as a second screen, open the Start menu and type Settings, then click to open the Settings app. In the Settings window, select System and then choose Projecting to this PC from the left-hand menu. Under Some Windows and Android devices can project to this PC. Select the first drop-down and choose Available Everywhere on Secure Networks. In the second drop-down, set it to every time a connection is requested. You can also choose First Time Only if you want to streamline this process in the future. Next, ensure that your laptop is ready to receive a connection. Stay on this screen as your main PC will soon send a request to connect. Now, move to your main computer. Open the Start menu, type Settings, and open the Settings app. Go to System and then select Display from the left-hand menu. Scroll down to the section called Multiple Displays and click Connect to a wireless display. A sidebar will appear, searching for nearby devices. Find your laptop's name in the list and click on it to connect. On your laptop, you should see a pop-up asking to allow the connection. Accept the request. Once connected, your laptop will act as an external monitor. By default, the display mode may be set to Duplicate, meaning both screens show the same content. To change this, press the Windows key, the Control key, and the P key on your keyboard simultaneously. A menu will appear with options such as Duplicate, Extend, or Second Screen Only. Select Extend to use the laptop as a second screen, which gives you more space for multitasking. If needed, go back to the display settings on your main PC to rearrange the monitors so they match their physical positions. You can click and drag the monitor icons to reflect how they are set up on your desk. If your main PC doesn't detect the laptop, go back to the display settings and click Detect under Multiple Displays. This will refresh the connection and help locate the second screen. You can also adjust the resolution of each screen to make sure the content appears clear and properly scaled. In the display settings, select the monitor you want to adjust, then scroll down to Display Resolution and select the preferred option from the drop-down. When you are finished using the laptop as a second monitor, you can disconnect by opening the sidebar again on your main PC and clicking Disconnect under the laptop's name. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.